A beginner's guide to data science. So data and science. So data is nothing but the collection of records. The record may be Amazon data or Flipkart data or any pharmacy data or any industrial data. So any kind of data or records can be considered as in data science. So science is nothing but the exploring the new knowledges. So the alternate name of data science is the computer science. Yes guys, because in the past 1970s data science has been invented. In the year 2010, data science has become the one of the booming technology. At present, 2022, data science has become the one of the highest paying jobs according to the United States. So this is the history of data science. We will move to the next slide. Interpersonal skills required for the role of data science. Exact guys, because if you are doing any kind of projects or talking with the colleagues or making the meeting with the team members, you must and should have this type of skills. Number one, communication skills. So communication skill, the every fresher must and should need to learn, because if you have good kind of communication skills, you can easily to communicate with the people, so easily collaborate with the colleagues also. So let's start with business understanding. So business understanding is nothing but the understanding the knowledge. So imagine that a company's data given to make inside the projects. So assume that if you have the data without any business knowledge, without any understanding knowledge, how can you understand your business and predict the outputs? So if you know the business knowledge, how can you achieve their goals, right? So achieving goals, you need to have the business knowledge. So after achieving their business, you need to have the communication skills to easily communicate with the team members. So at the time we need for the time management the must and should. So the companies provide the deadlines, so we need not to cross the deadline, we need to submit before the deadline. So time management is required. Finding the insights is the best part in doing data analytics. So we need to find the insights of the projects. Is there anything to predict extra? What the companies are required? Is there any possibilities to achieve more success? So this is the interpersonal communication skills that every fresher must and should require these skills. So what is exactly data science? Data science is the study of data to extract raw data into meaningful information for inside the business. So what it says is that, so if we have, let's take the Amazon data. So the company provide the sales in the year 2022, right? The company data will make you to insights. So what actually we will do is that we will, with the help of some tools, we will clean the data and analyze the data and convert the data into visualization formats, right? If we have data, we need to convert into visualization formats, then only the companies might be know what is the future of the business, what products are sales, what are the sales, how can we expect to increase our business. So this is the vital role will play data science in businesses. So I have placed the top most questions that many of the students who are asked for me. So who can learn data science? Why data science? What are the best tools to learn data science? How long it take to learn data science? So I'm a fresher, can I apply for the role of data science? Yes, of course. You can apply fresher as a data analyst if you learn skills. What is the scope of data scientist in the market? Programming knowledge is required or not? We have a lot of questions. Let's move to the next slide. Who can learn data science? See, some of people will from non-tech background to tech background. So they might have scared of programming. what I have need to learn, what are the certifications I need to learn. So it doesn't matter whether you're a technical or non-technical person. No, it doesn't matter. If you're a technical person, it will be good. If you're not a technical person, we will train you and with the skills, so you can easily get a job. So a degree is not strict requirement to be a successful data scientist. However, most of the data scientists have at least a bachelor's degree in relevant field. Yes, if you have bachelor's degree, it will be very good. So one must should have bachelor's degree in computer science. So if you have the degree in computer science, it will be very good. Some of the people will have degree in mathematics and they have knowledge in statistics. They are also very good to have these degrees. So some engineering students like computer science and information technology, and degree students doing from BCA, become computers like that. So they have chances to get a data analyst and business analyst also. So after completion of this, if you have if you are aim to do masters in PhDs, so it will be chance to get hired as a data scientist. So if you are dream to become data scientist at the end of the day, so you must need to have the master degree. So you have master degree means you will get a lot of skills, you have got of achievements. So if you have master's degree, you can achieve to data scientist. So in data science role, data scientist is the last path. So this is the technical and non-technical person, bachelor's degrees, what might you need to clear the certifications, like that. Why data science? Data science is the booming language all over the world. So if you go to around the USA or UK or Canada, wherever you go in the world, they will call you as a data scientist. If you have a fresher, if you have skills, our company will be hire you. So this only what the company persons will tell you. And second is the high demand. So data science is the rapid growing field with high demand for professionals. Data science is the topmost level. So that's why you have the high amount of salaries. So data scientists have among highest paid professionals in tech industries. If you are a data analyst, then you need to go to the data engineer. Then after DB administrator, then after data architecture, then after data scientist. So there are a lot of roles, they will pay a lot of salaries around the world. So no need to worry about the salaries. They will have hikes amount of salaries in tech industries. Real world impact. So what is the real world impact? I already said in first slide, data science is used in many industries, not only healthcare, not only finance, used in Amazon, Flipkart in day-to-day life, and Meesho and airline industries. What actually airline industries do is that suppose that if you are going to buy a ticket from airline website, so some of the persons will buy just ticket and some of the person will buy ticket with the meals. So with the help of data science technology, the airline industry management system will make a research that how many people are booking flight, how many people are booking food with the flight ticket. So with these capabilities, the airline management system can recognize how many people are taking food and how many people are not taking food. So they can easily manage food, so they can manage the time also. So tools. This is the most powerful tools this tool will make you from this stage to this stage. Microsoft Power BI. Microsoft Power BI is one of the business intelligence tool in order to create the automated dashboards. If you want to create automated dashboards, you must and should need to learn Power BI or Tableau. It is based on your choice. If you ask my suggestion, I would prefer Power BI because when it comes to Google Trends, so Google Trends is the graph which will provide every year what softwares are high rated, what people liking in the software. So recently I have seen that Google Trends, Power BI is the most popular tool for data visualizations. So my suggestion is to skip Tableau for a while and move to Power BI. And second is the Microsoft Excel. So here why I am telling Microsoft Excel is, assume that if you have 100k of data, you don't need to go to the Power BI or writing queries to extract the data and convert into the visualization formats. So you can simply go to the Excel, import the file, and click on 10 button clicks, you can clean the data. This is the miracle that happen in Excel only. SQL MongoDB. SQL and MongoDB is the database management system. So SQL is structured query language. It is mainly used to create data, insert data, delete data, modify data. So whatever we can change. MongoDB is a type of NoSQL database. So Python. You know that Python is a programming language that everyone is scared of programming. So in data analytics, no need to learn entire programming. We have sessions that what Python programming concepts that you need to learn. So we will prepare with that concepts. R programming. It is mainly used for statistics and mathematical calculations. So if you interested to learn Python, you can go to the Python. If you interested to learn R programming language, you can simply go to the R programming language. At this time, my suggestion is to learn Python programming and skip for a while R programming language. Why? Because if you learn Python programming language, I can guarantee you that you can easily get R programming language in hands and expert. So learn Python, skip for a while R. So number 5 is Hadoop. So Hadoop is mainly used in big data analytics, like Apache Spark servers. It is mainly used in big data analytics. Knowing the conceptual knowledge of Hadoop will make you increase your theoretical knowledge. If you're planning to step into the data science, you need to know the knowledge on Hadoop, Apache Spark servers. We will discuss in depth in later. So Weka is a software. It is mainly used for data cleaning and data mining, creating dashboards. So we can easily learn the Weka. It is not much more difficult. So these are the 5 tools on hands-on to become a successful data analyst. So these are the 5. Let's move on to next slide. How long it take to learn? Sir, you tell all those skills required what to learn in data science, but how long it take to learn data science? See, I have mentioned all the 6 tools, how much time it will be take to learn from beginning to intermediate. So if I start about the Power BI, it will take around 5 weeks. Microsoft Excel, it will take 4 weeks of time. SQL language, it will take 5 weeks of time. Python programming, it will take 5 weeks of time. Hadoop, it will take 4 weeks of time. Weka, it will take 3 weeks of time. So what I am trying to say is that if you want to learn Power BI or any Python, so it will take around 3 months of time to become an expert. So at this time we don't require that much of time. We don't have that much of time. We are learning what we require to become a successful data analyst. So we have created a main conceptual things what I need to tell you, what you need to prepare to become a data analyst. So follow this tutorial about Power BI, Microsoft Excel or Python. We will be cover entire the syllabus. As a fresher, can I apply for this position? Yes, as a fresher we can apply for the role of data science, but it will be beneficial to gain some experience, knowledge and field before applying. So it means if you have learned all the skills, then after simply going to LinkedIn, Indeed and Naukri.com, don't apply, because data analyst is not the role where you see in IT industries. It's some most difficult. It's some much different job. Why I'm telling is that if you have hands-on expert these skills, try to make a portfolio. I will tell what is the portfolio in next session. So when you're making portfolio, the HR can see your portfolio in a digital format. You don't need to tell, so I have done these certifications, I have done these jobs, I have done these internships. So making portfolio will increase your level of experience. So while you are learning this, please try to do course in among these certifications: analytics, certification business intelligence professionals, Microsoft certified Azure, Cloud certified associate, SAS and IBM certified data analyst, Oracle certifications. See, Oracle certifications is one of the best certifications they will provide about the database system. So any one degree it will be enough to become a successful data analyst. Clear? Uh, what is the scope of data science in the market? At present, data science is good. What about the 2026 or what about the 2030? How can we predict? Recently, every company start using data science technology, machine learning technology, AI based technology. Uh, so the top companies which will be using data science is Google, Amazon, Facebook, Microsoft, Apple, IBM, Intel, Uber, Netflix. See, these are the top most MNCs. They are using the data science technology. So if you learn skills, if you grab the opportunity, you might have chances to hide these companies. If you see the salaries, TCS is providing 6.5 lakhs, nearly 6.5. So IBM is providing 10 lakhs. Capgemini is 9.5 lakhs. So this is the big amount. This is the fresher salary, not an experienced person. So the salaries must not be like that. If you gain experience, if you have proper kind of skills, they might have chances to increase the salaries. Programming knowledge is required or not? Yes, programming is knowledge required, but not expert or advanced level. So programming knowledge is required for data science. As a data scientist, you will be often need to write code and manipulate the analyze data, build models, automate process. So if you dream to be data science, data engineer or data architecture, you don't need to learn the advanced programming knowledge. If you want to or if you dream to be a data scientist, you must and should know the knowledge on mathematics and statistics and probability and inference statistics. This is the part of mathematics. So learning from Python from basics to intermediate, it will be take around 5 weeks of time. Then after start making learning, and from intermediate to advanced it will take less amount of time, because we always we get starting stage only the difficulty stage, because at the starting we don't have any proper kind of skills. So I am telling this point again and again, if you are not learned anything till up to now, you no need to worry. If you are fresher, I can guarantee that if you start from now onwards, you can get job as a data analyst if you learn these skills, if you follow this tutorial. So Python is dynamic high level programming language. So what it says is that here Python is, we don't need to declare any variables. In other programming language we need to declare the string, integer, boolean, so like that. In Python we don't need to declare. So it is dynamic high level programming language. It is UI based programming language. So learning Python, it will be very good for a fresher. SQL is a database management system. I already told you the previous video. We can create, delete or modify data in the form of queries. Just simply we need to write the queries. No need to worry about it. It is very simple. R is a statistic programming language that is specially designed for data analytics and visualizations. If you want a data scientist, you must and should need to learn R. Learning Python will make you very easy for R programming. So once again I am telling that this is the 5 skills: Power BI, Microsoft Excel, SQL, Python, R programming. Weka you can take as optional as you want. So these are the 5 skills that you need to must and should learn if you are a fresher or any experienced person, that you are trying to travel from non-tech background to tech background. If you are studying mechanical, you are studying from electrical, so you no need to worry, no need to scare of how to get a job. Trust me that you can get a job if you learn these skills. Thank you for watching video. So please subscribe to our channel regarding data science and machine learning and related technologies.